This is a 2003 Honda Element EX with 104,000 miles in superb condition. You'll be lucky to find a rock chip or a door ding on this thing. No scratches, no rust. Texas vehicle. Alloy wheels. Tires are in great condition. Very cool car. The seats fold up. Plenty of room for cargo or sleeping or whatever you want to do. Just in wonderful, wonderful condition. Plastic is not faded like you see on a lot of them. AM FM CD, 104,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. So this is a 2003 Honda Element EX with 104,000 miles in superb condition. Perfect vehicle for student, perfect price range right now. Needs absolutely nothing.